welcome to another episode of the Easy Life. Where today we're going out of town, and it's not a travel vlog, and my bags are packed, and we are ready to go. And I'll take you there with me. See you in a bit. We're here now at Quezon Province, and it's called Bangkong Kahoy. It's like a camping site, and like you can like hike here, and there's a zipline over there, and there's a cottage just over there, like what we rented. I'm sorry, I'm running out of breath. This came from there. I don't have exercise. Anyways, the weather here is cold, and wow, this is a relaxing place to stay. It's kind of different to me. It's the first time I've been here. We are here now with the Señoritos Writers Club, and they're formerly called Club Arda. I was with in Baguio City and Batangas, and I always hang out with them. And these guys are really cool. And some of our friends are staying here too, and we're staying here overnight. And what are we gonna do today? Since it's already 5:30 in the afternoon, we can't do hiking. We can't do any activity. So probably tonight we're gonna party again on a bonfire on this cold weather. Amazing. And this one is an example of a cottage over here, and this is where we're gonna stay at night. And on the right, there's a trail going to the campsite where a lot of people will be camping and sleeping there tonight, and the party will be right there. this area. One is a campsite over there, and another one is over here. They all have drones. They all play frisbees and stuff, and who knows what else we do here. It's like pure forest, and it's quite cold though. Time check is 8:30 p.m. It's freezing cold. Damn it. And today we're leaving, going back to Manila. As expected, we're leaving as early as right now. But I had a great time. Last night was a blast, and I have a little bit of a hangover. So thank you for watching. I think it's time to end the vlog right here. Don't forget to like, subscribe, or even share this video. And I appreciate you guys for your time. Have an amazing day. Love you guys.